Hello again, it's Sara Speechly, and today I wanted to share one of an amazing perk that you get for being a Scentsy consultant, the Scent and Warmer of the Month. Okay, you can go into your workstation, go into accounts, and subscribe to get this. You will get it every month unless you cancel. You can cancel anytime. You'll find out on the first of the month what the following month will be, and you can either leave your subscription going or cancel. I always leave it going because they're amazing and a great deal, and only for you guys. So what it is each month there is a warmer and a scent that is 10% off for that month. As a consultant, you can get the warmer and scent of the month kit a month early, so you have it to show and get your customers excited, and you can in turn sell some of those things. So let me just show you. The scent of the month is $35 in US. You get 9 bars, a room spray, a tester, flyers, and a pack of 72 scented stickers. Great way to share that scent of the month, all for $35. And yes, you get commissions on that. So what a great deal. And I have so many customers always wanting these. These are usually sold out super fast. And I like to take them and make samples and hand them out also. I get more sales that way. You can also sign up for the warmer of the month, and that's where you get the warmer and the scent of the month. Depending on the price of the warmer, you just take that plus $20. So it's a really good deal because this is $35. So this was the warmer of the month and scent of the month for July. Beautiful warmer. This warmer and scent will always be available. Even if it goes on back order, you can still get the warmer and the scent for that month. After that, it's while supplies last. So make sure to sign up for the warmer and scent of the month and get a great deal on all this. You get commissions on it, plus it also is a great way to increase your sales for the following month by promoting the warmer and the scent of the month to your customers and having it on hand early. It ships out in Canada on the 10th of the month prior. In US, it ships out on the 15th. And you won't get charged until the 15th when it gets billed and shipped out. Good luck. Make sure to sign up for the warmer and scent of the month. It's a great, great deal for consultants.